I'm Yan Yan. Today is the Dragon Boat Festival in China. Unfortunately, this year we won't have any events due to Omicron. So we'll just have a picnic eating zongzi, a traditional food we eat on Dragon Boat Festival. Also, my mom took this opportunity to show me some other things that Chinese usually make on Dragon Boat Festival. The stream bag for eggs, a sachet, and this ornament. Keep watching the video and I'll tell you the stories behind the traditions. Last year on Dragon Boat Festival, I made a tutorial video on how to make zongzi and on the origin of the festival. It was related to Qu Yuan, an aristocrat and poet in Warring States period over 2,000 years ago. He committed suicide on the 5th day of the 5th month of lunar calendar. People make zongzi and hold dragon boat racing to commemorate him. We actually have more tradition on this day, and they are related to a superstition that has been forgotten by the society. Most people don't even know it. The day was regarded as an ominous day and was associated with death. Let me start the story with the 5th month in lunar calendar, which is usually from mid-May to June. The 5th month of lunar calendar was regarded as an ominous month in ancient China. Nobody wanted to build their house in this month. Government officials didn't want to start their tenure in this month because they believe otherwise they would never get promoted. It was a taboo month. Of course, it was superstition. The reason behind the superstition was because during late May to early June, mosquitoes and other insects start to come out. In ancient times, when hygiene and healthcare was poor, it was very easy for people to catch infectious disease and die. So they believed it was a bad time. As a result, there is a tradition in China to hang wormwood leaves on the door on Dragon Boat Festival and to make sachets filled with wormwood leaves. The scent from the herb keeps mosquitoes and other insects away. Ancient people believed it would also keep disease away. This is wormwood. In China, you can find it everywhere. It's just one of those wild greens. The back of the leaf is covered with tiny hairs. A sachet is not difficult to make. I'll show you how to make one with the shape of zongzi. The fifth month of lunar calendar was a bad month, and the fifth day of this month was the worst of all. Ancient people believed kids born on this day would bring bad luck to their parents. Of course, it was superstition, and it was related to the yin and the yang. 5 in Mandarin has the same pronunciation as noon. Noon is the hottest moment in a day. It's the moment when the yang starts to taper and yin starts to build up. Ancient people believe yin and the yang fight at noon, bad and good fight on the fifth day of the fifth month. So it was regarded as the day of death. A book published in the 2nd century recorded the tradition of people tying 5 colored silk threads on their arm. They believed it would save them from death. Many traditions derived from this. In my home city, Nanchang, people would make this kind of ornament. It's made with paper and colorful silk threads. Let me show you how we made it.错了，是这样子的。Do you get it? 好啦。Then wrap it with colorful silk threads. String them together with some beads and tassels. Do you like my pigtail? Hello, I'm Chinese astronaut, Bin Dun Dun. On Dragon Boat Festival, it's a tradition for kids to hang eggs on the neck. You just need 6 strings to make this dream bag.
不能放两个啊，放了两个，明明就放了两个，比较满嘛，把那个扣子扣下去。
Very long time ago, a kid was sick. The mother went to a temple to ask a goddess to bless her child. The goddess went to the evil of disease and told him to be away from her own children. The evil asked the goddess how many children she had. She said, "A lot." "How about this? On the 5th day of the 5th month, I'll let my children hang eggs on their necks so you can tell." Therefore, it became a tradition for parents to hang eggs on the neck of their children to keep the evil of disease away.
好看吗？